山田マシンツールタイランドの山田です。今日は、こちらにありますこのフィルターミスト、当社が扱っている商材なんですけれども、こちらの親会社であるアブソレント社のアジア太平洋総責任者のアンドレアス・ヨハンソンさんがタイで見えておりますので、これを機会に、フィルターミストの紹介と、当社の営業、こちらの販売の取り組みについてご説明させていただければと。やはりいろいろなミストコレクターとの競争がある中で、多くのお客さんに、価格だけではなく、性能ですねの部分でもご満足いただいてご採用いただけるケースが増えております。こちらのアンドレアスさんを紹介したいと思います。So, Andreas, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Andreas Johansson and I'm head of Asia Pacific for Absolent Air Care Group. Of course, FILTERMIST is one of our largest and most important brands, trusted by leading international companies for over 50 years, with partners in over 60 countries worldwide. And of course, that's why it's so important to have good partners in every country that can provide technical support and installation services to our customers.
So this is the first time you visit to your company, right?
Yes, it's the first time I visit you here in your office. I really appreciate it.
So, and how do you evaluate Thai market and our activity as far as you saw?
We think that the Thai market is very interesting right now, very dynamic, a lot of foreign investment, a lot of activity in the industrial sector now after the COVID is over. So we see Thai market as very interesting right now.
How do you evaluate us?
It's very important for us to have products like you in Thailand and everywhere in the world to provide good service to our customers and good installation. As we have seen today on the customer visit, I'm very happy to see that.
So what do you think the advantage you introduce your item through our company?
I think Yamada has a very long relationship with FILTERMIST and has gained a lot of knowledge about the products and how to use them, how to correctly install it at the customer sites.
So I think for both of us, the most important point is brand value in the local market.
Right.
And of course, the quality and performance of the merchandise is the most important. But to make it perform in the customer's site, I think we can do something.
Yes.
That's what we do.
Yes. So we have partners in over 60 countries and over the world, and we rely on our partners to build our brand and do so with high quality. And so we really rely on your support in Thailand.